the top 5 best embroidery machine for hats recommendation. Recommendation number 1. Brother PE 805 embroidery machine. We already knew going into this search that sewing machines specializing in embroidery design, and more particularly in embroidery that will transfer well to hats, was going to be a slightly more expensive endeavor than usual. That's why we were okay with it when we realized we were feeling drawn to computerized models that have slightly more advanced screens and capabilities, like this one from Brother. This durable machine has a 3.2 LCD color touchscreen that lets you navigate and preview your designs before you set the machine to work, creating the design within a well-sized embroidery hoop. Recommendation number 2. Brother SN1900 sewing and embroidery machine. Like the machine above, this one comes with an impressive 138 embroidery design range, as well as 11 font options that are good for monogramming, although this time they are all English-based. These are easy to work with and edit thanks to a large LCD touchscreen that's intuitive to navigate. This and the nice 5/7 embroidery field make it a great machine for the hat-based projects you're hoping to complete. When it comes to the rest of your sewing projects, however, this machine is wonderfully equipped as well. Its auto-stitch settings are comprised of a 240 built-in stitch range. Recommendation number 3. Singer Professional 514 T968 DC Embroidery Machine. The Singer 14 T968 DC Serger machine has 2345 thread capability, providing a wide selection of stitch options for all types of projects with professional results every time. The Singer 14 T968 DC Serger has a self-adjusting tension system. Simply turn a dial to select the chart, and the tension settings for that stitch are adjusted automatically. The Singer Professional 514 T968 DC Serger has a maximum sewing speed of 1300 stitches per minute. Recommendation number 4. Singer Legacy SF300 Portable Embroidery Machine. The Singer Legacy SF300 Portable Sewing Machine has 250 built-in stitches, including basic, stretch, decorative, and buttonhole stitches allow you to sew a variety of projects, such as fashions, home decor, quilts, crafts, and more. After following the threading path printed right on the machine, this built-in feature helps you to effortlessly thread the eye of the needle without eye strain or frustration. The Singer Legacy SF300 has extra-large embroidery area, snap-on embroidery hoops, USB stick embroidery design transfer. Recommendation number 5. Brother SS600 Computerized Embroidery Machine. The SS600 comes with 80 built-in designs and 6 embroidery lettering fonts for personalizing your projects. This sewing and embroidery combo machine includes an automatic needle threader that perfectly pushes the thread through the needle and a convenient, jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. This machine features 103 sewing stitches, including 10 styles of auto-size buttonholes. Maximum sewing speed, stitches per minute 710.